Hey traders, ever had a day where you felt on top of the world, like you could predict every market move? And then, the next day, you're staring at your screen, wondering if you even know what a candlestick is? Let's face it, trading Forex is a wild ride. One day, you're riding high on a winning streak, feeling like you've cracked the code. The next, you're second guessing every decision, wondering if you should just stick to a 9 to 5. That up and down feeling? It's normal. Like they say, some days you'll feel like a genius. Some days you'll feel like you forgot how to trade. And you know what? Both are okay. It's part of being a trader. You're not failing when you hit a low, you're just learning the game. The trick is to not give up when it gets tough. Why does it feel so chaotic? Because the market doesn't care about your plans. It's unpredictable by nature. No one, not even the pros, can call every move. Even the biggest names in trading have their losing streaks. What sets them apart isn't avoiding losses, it's how they handle them. Do you let a bad day derail you, or do you see it as a chance to grow? That mindset shift is everything. Losses aren't the end. They're lessons, stepping stones to getting better. Here's the big secret. Stay consistent. Keep showing up. Stick to your plan, even when it feels like the market's out to get you. The highs are awesome, but don't get cocky. The lows hurt, but don't let them stop you. Every trader, beginner or pro, rides this wave. It's about staying in the game, tweaking your strategy, and trusting yourself to push through. Consistency isn't just a buzzword, it's the backbone of success. It means having a solid trading plan and following it religiously, but it's more than that. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to double your account daily. Aim for steady, sustainable growth instead. Manage your risk like your life depends on it, because in trading, it kind of does. Don't chase losses out of desperation or get smug after a win. Keep a trading journal. Write down what you did, why you did it, and what happened. It's like a roadmap to your own progress. And here's a pro tip. Take breaks. Trading can fry your brain, so step back when you need to. A rested mind makes sharper calls. I'll never forget my early trading days. One week, I made a killing and thought I was invincible. But the next week, I lost half of it. That brutal wake-up call taught me a valuable lesson. Discipline, patience, and risk management are key to survival in Forex. My ego had surged with the profits, but the losses humbled me. The market doesn't care about your confidence. It'll knock you down if you don't respect its power. That experience shaped my approach. Stay grounded, manage risk, and never let emotions dictate your trades. Trading can feel like you're alone in a dark room with just your charts and your thoughts, especially on those long, quiet days. But here's the truth. There are thousands of traders out there riding the same waves you are, celebrating the same victories, wrestling with the same setbacks. Connecting with them can change everything. Dive into online forums, hit up trading meetups, or follow traders on social media. Swap strategies, debate the latest market moves, or just let off steam after a rough session. You'll pick up tricks you'd never find solo, and it hits different when you realize you're not the only one staring down a losing streak. Find communities that vibe with your trading style and values. They're out there waiting for you. So whether you're killing it right now or feeling lost, just know this. Every trader's been there. The ups and downs, they're normal. Keep going, keep learning, stay consistent. You've got what it takes to master this. Trading's a marathon, not a sprint. A journey full of twists, not a straight shot to the finish line. Embrace the ride. Soak up the lessons from your losses. Savor every win, no matter how small. And keep pushing forward. I'd love to hear from you now. What's your trading story? Have you felt the thrill of a big win or the sting of a tough loss? Drop it in the comments below. I'm all ears. If this video hit home for you, give it a like and subscribe for more trading insights. Let's tackle this journey together.